he always after going to work
Mm-hmm.
he drinking
Alcohol.
alcohol with his father. That's every day.
That's
And
every
it's
day.
he going back to home. It's almost late night.
Mm-hmm. So
Then
after work, he's just going to drink.
yeah,
He don't spend time with his child instead.
yeah. Then when I'm pregnant, then
Mm.
of course I'm always stressed, depressed.
Yeah,
So I decide to
broke up
separate.
with them.
Yeah,
Oh, that's good. At least you were saving your life because you don't know what's gonna happen and you don't have future with him.
yeah.
Mm.
I can live without him.
You yeah, of course you can. So how who take care of you when you were pregnant for your vitamins, checkups, and oh checkups is free, right?
My family,
Um
they all